Yeah, we're at this the first annual engine show at Mike's house here. We haven't had any engine shows all year because of the coronavirus, so Mike decided to have his own. And we got a little turnout, invitation only, and I think we're going to have a birthday party here. There's Mike and Rob, Charles, and little Jonathan. Alright, so we get a look at everything running here. They got the diesel wit, Bessemer there, another diesel wit. This here looks like a old Hercules, Jaeger, Hercules Jaeger, same company. There's our buddy Blind John. There's Road King's mate tag. He's having all kinds of trouble with. There's somebody's mate tag running. That's what they're supposed to look like. I don't know what that is. Maybe a Cushman. Another Jaeger. International. Steam engine shut down. The left H. Much forklift there. An old John Deere. They even got tractors here. You leaving? Can we hug you? All right. Take care. Yeah. Nice seeing you guys. All right.
Michael. Easy. Mike. Thanks for having us. Oh, yeah. It was a lot of fun. Okay?
We'll start again.
Yeah, we'll pull start it this time.
That's what I had to do last time.
Here we go. Excuse me, Johnny. Is that diesel?
No, that's gasoline. Big displacement. It sounds like a diesel.
That's a big farm boy there, ain't it? Alright, we got a 1935 Wit here, diesel. And our buddy here, Mike's going to try and start it. I apologize for the shadows, but that's just the conditions we got here. These things usually take off like a rocket when they first start. There you go. Yeah, once this gets going, it quiets right down. 2022 Bessemer. Hasn't been started in over a year. Good luck, buddy.
Thank you.
Wow. That's something. Is that going in the opposite direction of most engines?
Well, I mean, it's a vertical, so. Who's to say?
Right.
Who's to say?
Huh. That's a good question.
Stand on the other side, it's going the other way.
Why do you start in that direction, Mike, instead of the other way?
That's just the way it runs.
Really? But it's a two-stroke.
Well, the handle flips out that way.
Oh, okay.
There we got water.
There we go. Now we got water.
I can't believe it started that easily. Oh, man. Look at the soot. They covered me with soot. That's all soot out of the stack. You got it on you? Good day. It's a good day at the show.
So you're going to try and get this one started. Get the cap off. You know, I seen it up there and I was wondering how you put it up and took it off.
We were hoping you'd start up with the bucket on.
Got a barrel of fuel and 2 big batteries. What size are them batteries, Mike?
They're 4Ds.
What is that? How many voltage?
They're 12 volts.
Are they?
They're 12 volt batteries, yeah.
Wow. So it needs 24 to start? Or that's
Yeah, it's
just
a 24
okay.
volt start. So.
Okay, we'll let him set this thing up and see how she runs. What year is this, Mike?
1959.
1959. Not in bad shape for 1959. So the
The
primer
only
up
thing I
there.
gotta do is get some tape and put them over them leaves that are exposed.
I guess that's all safe right there, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I mean-
OSHA approved.
Yeah.
Grab a hold of it when it starts.
Don't touch it.
And make sure there ain't nothing touching the housing. Might not like that.
It's almost what you go through with my D2 or my D4 or my D7.
Tape real quick.
All right, so we're gonna try.
Oh no! Don't tell me that battery is dead.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
so you might have a bad battery.
Well, I don't think that contact is taken. I can start to help this my mind.
Guess the show's just about over. Everybody's leaving. But that was pretty good. Something to do. Alright. Enough of this.